So finally we are leaving this beautiful city Nasik, and this is the Nasik Boat House, runs by the MTDC, the Tourism's Boat Club. Here we are getting mesmerizing vibes from all around the corner. You can see the behind me, the sunset is going on, and this location is perfect for the evening getaway. That's great location in Nasik. Thank you for staying with us. We will come soon with the full vlog. Stay tuned with Aranya the Superwoman, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye friends.